So a long time no see. Kelly's back. What? Literally, it's been like 3 years
since our last video.
Like a long time ago. So we're back. I'm in Atlanta right now, and we're gonna do a get ready with me, which I haven't done in a really long time.
I've never done.
So let's get started.
Great.
So Kelly's really excited to tell you about something, so I'll let her go and tell you about it.
Yes. Okay. So I'm not using this today because I'm going to use my new stuff that we got at Target yesterday. But this is the Pure Minerals Liquid Veil, and you like spray it onto a brush. Ooh. And when it goes on, it feels a little bit greasy, but then it like dries in this like matte, and it's so like skin perfecting.
Really?
So if you want to use it today or tomorrow when we're not doing a video, you're welcome to use it. I'll spray it onto this brush. I brought the Too Faced Natural Eyes. I like it.
I like that. Oh, that's like yes.
Yeah.
So I bought this yesterday. It was $6. First of all, let me just go on a rant real quick. ELF, what are you doing? When I first started buying ELF, it was $2, $1,
Yeah.
$6. If I don't like this, I'm returning it.
What is it? Sorry?
It's primer.
Primer.
Because I didn't bring primer.
Dang it, I have primer right here. I'm gonna go with it a little bit late.
It comes out as a white.
I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer.
Okay, it's not bad. It's not sticky or anything, so I actually...
Not so
Sorry,
bad.
ELF.
$6 though. I, at Target yesterday, and this is what I'm gonna use today, got this number 7 Lift and Illuminate. And to be honest with you, I got it because they gave me a coupon. And I think I like it. I needed some foundation anyway, and I really like to use IT Cosmetics CC Cream. But I just didn't feel like spending $38 right now. So I put it on my Christmas list and bought this number 7 Lift and Illuminate.
So I've been working out a lot. Cool. This, I got this in like a benefit kit, like face kit. So it has 2 concealers, and I really like the Boing concealer. So I mix the 2 together because my skin color is really weird. So before I put on foundation, I just go over and...
Because you're just getting yellowy or pink.
Pink, because like you see the pink like under... Yeah, it's pink. I don't know, I kind of want to try this.
Oh, you're gonna use that one. Good.
I'm scared.
Yeah, no, it's not scary. It's fine.
Okay. Like, is it gonna spray all over?
Like, do some more. Spray it harder. Yeah, there you go. Good. Now, like, dot it. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Like, dot it around on your face.
Ooh, it makes a sound.
Yeah, and it's going to feel, like I said, a little bit greasy at first. But once you get it, and you can, like, after it dries, you can do another layer.
Should I use a beauty blender?
Whatever you want. I usually use the brush, but I haven't actually tried a beauty blender. So.
Well, today we're gonna try a beauty blender.
Also, this number 7, I realized that I need to use 2 pumps. Usually I do 1 pump of the CC cream, but this stuff I need to do 2 pumps. We're in my mom's bathroom. So I was watching a YouTube video. I don't watch too many makeup YouTube videos unless you do them. But I was watching this one. I don't know how I came upon it. She was saying that, remember when we used to set our makeup with powder, like before baking was a thing?
Yeah.
What is baking? I don't know what that is.
You don't know what
and
baking
I
is?
still set with powder.
Well, I actually didn't bring baking powder today. Flour. It's basically loose powder. You have pressed powder there, but it's loose powder.
IT Cosmetics CC powder.
She's fancy. I have drugstore. So it's loose powder. You take the loose powder on a beauty blender. That's what I use.
On a beauty blender?
Yeah, so you dip it. I just dip it in the powder, and then you like put it under your eyes.
How is that different from just using a brush?
Because then there's powder. It looks like you're doing Coke, but it's powder under your eyes, and you set it there. You just leave it there.
Just leave it. Let it bake?
Yeah. I don't know what it does, because for me, every time I do it, it just makes my eyes feel dry and cakey.
Yeah, I don't think it does anything other than what I just did with a small brush.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. Well, everyone uses the powder that I use, but it's cheap.
What do they use, the Rimmel stuff?
No, they use this Airspun stuff at Walmart.
I never used Bye Bye Under Eye. There too. Do you want to take the rest of that tube with you? Take it home?
But it's expensive.
We'll take it. I have a brand new tube that's been waiting for me for forever, because these literally last forever. And there's still a good amount in there. If you want to take that with you. Yeah, I'm super sure.
I mean, put it with your... The only thing I feel like I wouldn't like about it is that does it take a long time to blend?
Nope.
Like under your eye. I use this. This is L'Oreal Infallible. I just bought it because I always use the Maybelline Fit Me like concealer, and I really like it. And I think that was on sale, so like I bought it. And I was like, it's probably the same because it's like in the same tube and everything. No. I mean, it's okay. It's not as like full coverage as the Maybelline.
Well, I used this first, the Maybelline Instant.
Oh yeah, age rewind.
Yeah.
That was like the first concealer I used. So after my concealer, I like pat it in because I used this little brush and I love it.
I almost put this under my eyes.
I mean, it's a good time.
I got distracted by my current YouTube fame.
So MAC Studio Powder Plus Foundation. I've been using this for like 2 years. This is my second one and I literally just started using it. The first one lasted me about 2 years because I was so scared to use it because it's MAC and it's expensive. And I'm like, well, when I run out of this, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna go buy it. I didn't even start using it until like 6 months after I got it. And then I got this one last Christmas and it's almost Christmas.
There you go.
So
yeah, I mean, if you
life hacks.
This is the Too Faced palette.
That is a classic.
It's the natural eyes. I just like to keep things natural. I guess the most natural would be not putting all of this makeup on my face, but
the next step, the next level is that.
Yeah.
So you're pretty much almost there. So I am powdering right now on my forehead, but then I'm gonna go back with concealer and then go over it and then powder again. That's a lot.
You know, I've kind of stopped using actual eyeliner and I just use a really
that is my
dark
favorite.
eyeshadow to do it, and I like it. Lily actually taught me how to do makeup approximately 5 years ago. Before that,
Really?
I mean,
5?
Yeah. Maybe it was 4. Maybe it was 4. Oh, I didn't do any bronzer or blush.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this.
I use the Hoola.
Ooh,
bronzer.
that is
I like that.
classic as
And
well.
I've had it forever. I have chubby cheeks, so we gotta define something.
I just put heaven on my eyelid.
I'm gonna use this Becca Rose Gold.
Ooh, you bought that?
Yeah, I have the Opal one too, but I didn't bring it. But this is the Rose Gold, and I use it as blush.
I don't know who's used this, but I'm just gonna use it.
So I listen to a lot of podcasts, and I was listening to one, and it was not about makeup, but they were talking about mascara. I don't know why. And they said if you just like shake it around a little bit, like let it dry a little bit before you put it on, it's not as messy. They're right.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So I've been letting it dry just a little bit, just a sec.
Oh.
And it doesn't like, it's not as gloppy when you put it on. I don't know if gloppy is a word, but.
I don't know what this color combination is on my eyes, but I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna add like some white on the inner corners to make it pop. This is like the literal only eyeliner I've used in my life. It's because my mom used it.
Yeah.
It's because my mom used it, and I just never wanted to.
It's a good one.
Try another one. Okay, not too bad.
Good job. Oh, I can't do wings because my eyes are too wrinkly.
So did you sleep in today, Kelly?
I did. I slept until I woke up. I didn't have an alarm, but that was at 7:05.
Is that like late for you?
Yeah.
What time do you usually get up in the morning?
Well, it depends because I work retail, so
yeah,
depends on my schedule. But I tend to work a lot of early shifts, so my alarm goes off at like 4:30 a lot of times. Yeah, but if I can sleep in without an alarm and have like very low level of responsibilities when I do wake up, that to me feels great.
Yeah.
What time did you end up? Did you get up at 8:30?
Well, I read some Bible.
I did that too.
And
what did you read?
I am in John right now.
I'm in Acts.
So I'm using Lash Sensational. It had a coupon as well. It has a curved thing.
Oh, look at this.
This mascara is not great, but you know what? It's okay. This mascara is really bad. I'm really not happy with it.
Really?
Yes.
I can't use the ones like that don't have like long bristles on it.
Yeah, this one just makes my eyelashes look spidery. Oh, I also realized that I pulled out some eyelashes, so that's good for me.
Oof. With that brush?
No, like they were annoying, so I pulled them out on accident.
Oh, they were like hurting.
Yeah. Wow, this mascara is so bad.
Well, I'm ready to go. Today we're going to see my niece, Lily's cousin, dance in the Nutcracker. But first we're gonna go downtown and have lunch with my other sister and her kids.
So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with powder right now because I don't have anything else.
I didn't put anything on my lips because it's downstairs in my purse.
Guys, I feel like
you get them. Oh, sorry, you and me.
What?
You just have so much going on right here. Just a pile of stuff. What is this? Is this what you just put on your face?
Yeah,
this
that's
Too Faced
bronzer.
chocolate?
That's my travel size. I'm also using a ColourPop highlighter that's kind of streaky, but I like the color, so I'm just gonna use it anyway. And then I'm just gonna pat it down.
Not to stress you out, but we have to leave in 8 minutes.
Okay, well I'm done, basically.
Great.
All I need to do is put lip liner on.
Aww. Chinchilla.